I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
What's up, YouTube? It's Ray. As you can see, we are dyeing our hair black. We are getting rid of this dusty, crusty old red. And the color that I'm using, you guys saw the box. It was a Creme of Nature box. And the color that I'm using is the Exotic Shine Intense Black Permanent Hair Color by Creme of Nature, of course. You guys, this is a pretty much self-explanatory process. I am not a professional. This is just something that I'm doing on my hair because I'm tired of this red. All I did was follow the instructions on the box as far as mixing the hair color. Now, you want to pay very close attention when mixing the hair color because it is chemicals and it can explode if you do not mix properly. And once you mix the hair color, as you can see, I put on my gloves and now I am just applying this color throughout my entire head. I did detangle my hair lightly, but you really don't have to. If you have straight hair or kind of stretched hair, you're not gonna need that because it's nothing to detangle. The dye is just gonna flow right through. And if you have natural hair, like coily curly hair like mine, as you like saturate your hair with the dye, it's going to start detangling itself, so you really don't have to detangle it. You can, as just a cautionary practice if you want to make it easier on your hair, but if you're in a rush, you do not have to do that. I would recommend sectioning your hair off into at least 2 sections as I did here, just to make sure that it's just a neater application process. Dyeing hair is very messy and you're gonna make a mess and get it all over anyway, but if you can kind of aid and assist that by putting your hair in sections, then I would definitely recommend that. And as I stated, I used 2 boxes of the hair dye. I probably could have got away with only using 1, but I wanted to make sure that there was absolutely no red. So I just went back through with the second box and completely saturated my hair to make sure that there was none, because I had a hard time seeing the back of my hair. So I'm kind of just like squirting it all over my head, squirting it into my hands, and that kind of helped me to make sure that I got it all over my head. And if you guys have like medium to longer length hair like I do, what I would recommend, which made it easier for me, is to just kind of squirt the hair dye into your hand and then apply it on your head that way. That made it so much easier for me to do. And also yeah, that's basically what I did. I forgot what else I was about to tell y'all. Oh yeah, I know what I was gonna tell y'all. So this is very messy and black stains, so if you guys can, try not to get it on your face. As you guys can see, I got it on my face, I got it all around my forehead, and I was going somewhere after this and you could see the black dye like still on my head even with makeup on. So try very hard to not get it on your face, or even I had it on my arms and it would not come off. I had people asking me like what was wrong with my arms all weekend. So yeah, you see how I have it like around my head? That still shows, guys, even with my makeup on. So do your best to I know it's hard, but do your best to kind of just keep it on your hair, because you don't want to be looking crazy with black stuff all on your face because you can't get it off. If anybody knows how to get rid of hair dye residue, please leave a comment and let us know, because I was struggling for a good 2 days with this black hair dye on my face and on my body. And yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it. I'm going to wrap up this hair dye process and show you guys what I do to finish off the hair dye. This is a very easy process, so if you are trying to cover up some old color or you just want to dye your hair jet black, definitely go for it. And if you do, let me know what color you use and how it turned out for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make beauty related videos every single week, so you do not want to miss not one single upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and have a good day.